Chapter 5 Equatorial Forest Regions means भूमध्यवर्ती जंगल. Location स्थिति. The equatorial rainforest regions, as the name indicates, are found near the equator between 0° north and 10° north and south of the equator. यानी 0° नॉर्थ और 0 and 10° नॉर्थ, 0° साउथ एंड 10° साउथ के बीच में ये जंगल पड़ते हैं, अवस्थित है. द इक्वेटोरियल रीजन्स फॉल्स इन द टॉरिड जोन एंड इट इज वेरी हॉट एंड वेट. इट इज spread over parts of Asia, Africa, and South America. Climate. The temperature of the equatorial regions is hot throughout the year. The duration of day and nights is equal. The humidity is very high in the region because of evaporation from the rivers, ponds, and transpirations from plants. Rainfall is heavy throughout the year and average between 150 and 350 centimeters annually. Rainfall is accompanied with the thunderstorm. This type of rainfall is typical of the equatorial regions.
There is no
winter seasons in these regions. Or the plant life. The region receives rainfall throughout the years. There is luxuriant natural vegetations. The equatorial regions is an evergreen regions. All the trees do not shed their leaves at the same time. Trees are found in different layers.
There are broad
leaves forming a
canopy
as well as mosses and lynches. The equatorial forests are very useful. Teak, mahogany provide raw materials for many industries. अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप आते हैं वाइल्ड लाइफ. एनिमल लाइफ इन द इक्वेटोरियल रीजन्स इज फाउंड इन abundance. There are immense number of variety of insects. For example, I like butterfly, mosquito, spiders, etc. There are very few animals like gorilla, chimpanzee, wild pigs, and okapis. The famous anaconda snakes is also an inhabitant of this region. Gorillas are found in West Africa. Big animals such as rhinoceros and elephants are found in this region. Human life. Equatorial regions are the most thinly populated parts of the world. Some areas such as Amazon basin, the Jari basin, and many large islands of Indonesia and Philippines have extremely sparse populations. Bantu tribes are found in Jari basin, but there are certain areas such as Java and Kuboj of Sumatra which have dense population. and agriculture. Shifting agriculture are found here, such as maize, rice, cassava are grown in land for 2 or 3 years only. After some times, when the fertility of land diminishes, they move to new area of agriculture. Plantation agriculture, widely practiced in Indonesia, Malaysia, West Africa and Central America. Plantation agriculture, especially in the productions of particular crop. Through this method, crops are grown in large scale for commercial purpose. Tea, coffee, rubber, cocoa and etc. also.
ग्रो के जगह पे एन कीजिए ना, ग्रो के बाद एन लिखिए, ग्रो ग्रो। थैंक यू।
Thank you.